The next lecture will be about application architecture of NativeScript. So we're going to review page management and navigation. So the page management app consists of pages which represent the different application screens. The pages are instances of the class page from page module. And here we have, for example, this info page/common.js. Then we're saying var content view1 equals require, and we require content view. Then I can say var page equals function, and this is ify, which is receiving super and it's working over content view1.contentView. And here I can call extends from page and super and return the page. Each class instance inherits a content property which holds the root visual element of the UI. So I'm having my view, which I'm taking from UI/core/view, and then I'm creating the content view, again with extending. But inside it this time, I have a function content view, which is calling _super.apply this and arguments. To the end, I can export content view, which is equal to content view. To create pages, there are two approaches of creating pages in NativeScript. The XML way, defining UI and code separately, or create XML, and first we have to create XML file to hold the layout of the page. For example, I have main.page.xml and I have the XML here. So I'm saying page and close it here, and I have loaded, which is an event, and this means called when the page is loaded. We're going to refer to onPageLoaded. Inside it, I have a label with text hello world. Then I create JS file for the code. So I'm having main.page.js and I'm defining the function onPageLoaded receiving some arguments. So when it's loaded, I'm going to print on my console page loaded, and I'm going to export this function so I can access it from XML. The two file names, .js and .xml, must match, so both of them should be mainpage.js and mainpage.xml. We can create a page directly in the code. So here, first I have to require pages module which is coming from UI/page. And because I want to have label, I'm going to require UI/label module as well. Then I'm creating a function create pages. Inside it, I would like to create new label. So I'm saying var label equals new label module dot label. Then I'm specifying label.text is equal to this string hello world. After that, I'm creating my page. So I'm saying var page equals new pages module dot page, and I'm saying that its content will be equal to label, and then I return it. To the end, I am saying exports.createPage is equal to this createPage function. How I can set the home page? Well, this is basically the entry point of the application, and you need to use main module from application module. NativeScript search for the XML file with the name specified, and it is parsed and then drawn on the screen. Then if a .js or .ts file exists, NativeScript is executing it. So I'm saying var application equals require application. And then I'm setting that application.main_module is equal to main page. Then I'm saying application.start, and from this moment the main pages that I created previously will be my home page inside the application. Next, we're going to continue with navigation and how we can apply it with NativeScript.